Alright, so just imagine you're driving your car, you're just taking it out on a drive, and you suddenly face a situation where you need to abruptly stop the car. Maybe some incident happened in front of the car, or maybe somebody bumped into your car. So what do you do in that particular instant? What's the first thing, what's the first reaction you should be having when you face such a situation? All you need to do is just say, lock the video.
Video protected.
And that's where the VIOFO A329 comes into the picture. It immediately locks the video and takes a screenshot, thereby making sure that the emergency video which it's recorded is kept safely in a separate folder and it doesn't get deleted. So this is the advantage of having a dash camera which supports voice control. You don't have to go about touching the button of the dash camera. You can alert maybe somebody else, or you can take some more time in trying to navigate through the menus in order to record the emergency video. All you need to do is just say out the 3 words and the dash camera does the rest of the job for you. And not only does the VIOFO A329 offer you this particular feature, it offers you another convenient way to record the emergency videos, and that is via its Bluetooth remote. So if you are unable to say out those 3 words, you just need to press one single button which can be mounted anywhere on your dashboard. Just go ahead and press on it, and you hear the voice notification and the clicking sound indicating that the emergency video has been recorded and a screenshot or a snapshot has also been taken. So 2 most convenient and most practical ways of having to save an emergency video right at your, should I say, mouth tip or even the fingertip. Voice control and a Bluetooth remote control. Additionally, the good thing about this voice control is that the response is pretty much instantaneous. Hardly takes like less than a second to register your voice. That's a plus point, because most other dash cameras do tend to take time to process the voice command, and by the time it executes the command, it just might be too late. So not only does the VIOFO A329 provide you the feature to immediately lock the emergency video, it also gives you about 10 to 12 plus voice commands, different various voice commands which you can use to control the dash camera, maybe to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, turn on or turn off the screen, even to control the audio settings. Like many other functions are provided right within the dashcam. All you need to do is just say out the words and the dashcam does the rest of the job for you. So this is where the premiumness counts. This is where the extra special features this dash camera brings to the table really comes into effect. Now these are not some gimmicky features or just features to show off the technology. These are real practical features which are most useful in emergency situations where you need to take control of the dashcam without even having to lift your finger from the steering wheel. So let's take a look at some of the other different voice commands the VIOFO A329 supports and how it can help you in enhancing your experience of using a dash camera. So before we head into the settings, let's just stop the recording of the dashcam and then head into the settings. Following that, scroll down to system settings and again scroll down to the voice control options. So you have a specific option to turn on or turn off the voice control. If you head into that, as you can see, you can turn it off or turn it on. But heading back, these are the different voice commands which the dash camera supports. First of all, you can say the command to take photo. Even this is very useful in emergency situations. You can also turn on the audio or turn on the screen, or you can turn on the Wi-Fi. You can say show front camera, or you can say show both cameras to be displayed on the screen. Following that, you have the video start option. Basically to start recording the video. Then you have the turn off audio option to turn off the mic, or you can turn off the screen as well. You can turn off the Wi-Fi as well, and you can also just keep the rear camera being displayed on the screen, and you can lock the video as well. So these are the important options, very practical voice control options that have been given on the VIOFO A329. Let's just try one more. Take photo. So as you can see, the response was like pretty much instantaneous. There was no lag between my voice command and the action being executed on the screen. Lock the video.
Video protected.
Show both cameras. Show rear camera. Show front camera. Show both cameras. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Now, after watching this video, I really do think you have some level of idea regarding what are the kind of features which you should expect and which you should have in a dashcam that you might purchase in the future. And if you're someone who is looking to get these features, these practical features of having a voice controlled enabled dash camera or even a Bluetooth remote control, you can always grab a VIOFO dash camera, the A329 or the A229 series, and get these features which might just one day help save your life or even help you in legal cases. That being said, if you are interested in purchasing any of the VIOFO dash cameras which support all of these features, the links to purchase each and every dash camera is given in the description of this video. So just click down, go ahead, click on the link and buy this camera to keep yourself and your family safe. That being said, I'm quite sure that this video has helped you out in gaining a new insight into the way you can use your dash camera. And if that's true, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also consider joining in as a member of Travel Tech because you'll stand a chance to win a dash camera every single month in 2025. If you have any doubts or queries regarding any of the features which I just mentioned in this video, even including the VIOFO A329, go ahead, write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take photo. Show rear camera. Show front camera. Show both cameras. Turn off audio.
Voice recording disabled.
Turn on audio.
Voice recording enabled.
Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Lock the video.